Welcome to SeedProd. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy SeedProd makes it to embed and fully customize YouTube videos into your WordPress website. I put a link in the description to an article on the SeedProd blog on how to embed YouTube videos in WordPress 3 different ways. This is a fantastic article. In this video, we're going to specifically look at the SeedProd way, so let's jump right in. So here I have a clean installation of WordPress and I have SeedProd already installed. If you need help installing SeedProd, please find the link in the description below on how to do so. So here on the left-hand side, let's come under SeedProd and Theme Builder. We just want to set up a quick website by clicking on Theme Template Kits. Here we can choose a website that we can work with, and then we can import a video into it. SeedProd comes with a ton of different pre-made websites that you can just import into your site. Let's go ahead and pick a random one here. And then this will just take a moment to import all of the template files. Great, here we can see all of the files in the pages for the About Us page, Contact Us, homepage, blog, etc. Now, these are theme templates. They're not specific pages, but they're applied to pages. Let's go ahead and enable the SeedProd theme here, and we can take a look at this. Here we can see it imported a website, and it has the header. We have the buttons here with the header, and we have different sections here for blog posts. And if we come down, you can see all of the different sections for the artwork and the placement and the footer. Let's go ahead and get ready to put a video in here. So for example, if we just want to add one simply to the home page, let's click on Edit Design. And here we're inside the SeedProd page builder. Now you'll see that there's lines over everything, and these are the blocks and the sections and the rows and the columns, and we can modify all of this. Let's say we want to put a video in here. We can just delete this block and get rid of it. And on the left-hand side here, we can search for all of the blocks here. And these blocks we just simply drag into the page, and we can place them anywhere we want. So here, I'll just put this here, and you can see that a video was added into the page. Now this is the video block. I'm going to show you a second block that has more options for videos, but let's just take a look at this one. This is block settings. And here we can have a type. By default, it's already on YouTube. You can do a custom video if you like. Right here, you just simply paste in the YouTube video, and I can just push the URL in here, and then you have the width. So you can change that if you like. And you have the alignment. And that's it. You do have some advanced features here for shadow, spacing, attributes, the device visibility, and animation, but that's basically it. If you want more features though, let's go ahead and delete this one. And instead of using the video standard block, let's go down to the advanced video pop-up. And I'll place this in here, and we'll click on block settings. Now we have more options. For the source, we have YouTube, Vimeo, and custom. We're going to leave it on YouTube. Again, you just paste your video URL right in here. And we can customize the start time and the end time. So for example, this video is 1 minute and 29 seconds long. So if I wanted to start at 30 and have it end at 60, that would go ahead and do so. So if I play the video, you can see it started at 30, and that'll actually stop at the 1 minute mark. Let's go ahead and minimize this video section, and we come down to video options. Now here we have the autoplay option. So when the page loads, it'll just play by itself without them hitting play. You can turn that on or off. There is a play on mobile as well. So if you play video inline on mobile devices, instead of automatically going into full screen mode. So if we hit play on mobile, this will play in the page instead of it popping up and taking up your full mobile screen. We also have the mute button on or off if you like. We can have this loop. So once it gets to the end, it'll just loop back to the beginning. So if we click here, you can see it goes back and it'll start over at the front. There we go. We also have the show player controls, so I can turn these on or off. And you'll see that on the bottom here when they're playing, those will be disappeared or showing. There's also a privacy mode here. This is to do with the storing of your information. We also have the lazy load. So you can load this in lazy. So when you scroll down the page, it'll load it as the user brings it into focus. Now here we have the suggested videos, and right now it's set to current video channel. You can also do any video. So for example, let's do any video first, and then if I play this to the end of the video, you'll see once it ends, it'll show these videos on the screen. Now these are not part of the SeedProd channel, so if I change this from any video to current video channel, and we do that again, and we go to the end, you'll see that the videos that pop up are all videos that came specifically from the SeedProd YouTube channel, which is great. We also have enable sticky video. So let's go ahead and we can enable this, and we're going to save this and actually preview this on the live website. So here, if you see the video on the left side, I'm going to scroll down the page and you can see that the video will appear on the bottom right. There you go. So people can watch the video as they're browsing your website. Let's go ahead and close the video options. And at the bottom now we have the image overlay. We can enable this. And here, this allows you to pick your own thumbnail that goes over the YouTube video for a cover image or an overlay image. So you have two options. You can use your own image or a stock image. So this comes built in with SeedProd. So you could look for an image. I'll just search for WordPress, And here we can select a random image, and you can use this as a cover. You can also delete this and use your own image if you like. And I'll go ahead and upload a random image here, and then just go ahead and select it. There you go. You can see that this image is selected. You have the image size. Right now it's by percentage, so it's 100% wide. If you want it, for example, 50, you can change that, as well as the height there. You can also do pixels if you want to switch to that. Here we have the show play icon. You can turn that on and off. It's possible that you could have a cover image that has its own custom play button in there that you want to use. Otherwise, you can just use the built-in icons here. Here's the size that you can change. You have the opacity of it. I'll make that a little bit darker. And if you don't like this one, you can actually change it to a different button here if you like. So there's other play buttons. Here's a round one. I'll go ahead and use this one. We also have the icon color at the bottom, so I could change this. And we also have enable lightbox. So when I turn this on, when you play the video, it'll actually pop up here, and you can see the lightbox feature. To close it, we have an X in the top right corner. If we come up to the top, we also have advanced options here. So we have the width, so you can change that if you like. We have the aspect ratio. So there's a 1:1, there's a 9:16, 16:9, you can change that. You have alignment. This only works though if the width is down, and then you can change it. If it's 100%, obviously you cannot. We also have a shadow here if you want to add a shadow to the bottom of the player. We have spacing, attributes, device visibility if you want to hide it on desktop or on mobile, and of course the animation effects when it loads into the page. Let's go ahead and save this and preview. Here we can see our finished product. If I hit play, it'll open in the light box. It's going ahead and playing. If we come to the end, we should see the channel videos that come from SeedProd here. They do not come from other places, from other channels on YouTube. And we have the custom play button with the cover image here, which was also custom as well. And everything is working and looks fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment. We love hearing from you. Please subscribe to the channel and check out these videos to learn more about SeedProd. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.